Internet for Talent. Welcome to Profitable Talents. I'm Alessia and this is Jacopo.
Thank you for the introduction.
You're very welcome. I really like that.
Since 2016, we've been working at this online business, and after generating almost $1 million in sales, we sort of understood a few things along the way. And we compressed it down to 3 main steps to grow your online business to multiple 6-figure a year. And we're going to talk about how you can apply these 3 pillars using Kajabi as the only software. Let's get started.
Let's do it.
The first pillar is discovery. It's all of your effort above the water. Meaning, what do you do publicly? How do you attract your ideal clients? All the social media content, the blogs, the podcasts, the TikTok dances, the reels, and all of that stuff that will trigger your people to say, I am interested about what they are doing. Let me follow them. But then it's also the art of moving your followers from social media into your ecosystem. That's how discover you and also raise their hands and say, I want more from you. The second main pillar is called nurture, because once people say, yes, I want to know more from you because I'm interested in what you do, you want to nurture them in a way that you will add value to their life, to their business, to their relationships, to whatever you do. And we do it with email marketing. We've sold more than $800,000 worth of digital sales, all mainly via email. So yes, email marketing still works, but done properly. And the third pillar is called impact. How do we change people's lives? How do we make them take the step that they need to achieve the results they want? With irresistible offers, positioned in a way that they'll be ready for it, they'll be prepared for it, and we don't have to become salesy to do so. Okay, it sounds very good, but how do we actually do this stuff in Kajabi? Because that's the software that we use to manage all of that. Suppose you've created lots of content on social media, you have a following. How do you move your watchers from social media into your ecosystem? What's an ecosystem anyway? Well, I'm gonna show you. For years, you created videos on YouTube on how to teach ballet to adults, right? And at some point, we want to stop people from going randomly on YouTube because that's not how they should train. So what do? We created a workout plan. A workout plan that at the beginning, for people just testing the waters, it's a 5-day workout plan, which is added value on top of the free videos that we did on social media, on YouTube specifically. Where do we send them? To one of our landing pages. It looks something like this. And this is all down in Kajabi, very simply. We want to show them what we can give to them additionally to what they've already received. So we were constantly giving out. But in this case, we're not giving out for free. We're actually asking the name and email in exchange. But why do we want to do that? Because this way we can contact them whenever we decide, not whenever the algorithm decides. A simple page like this that explains what it is that they can download, a little bit of your story, a little bit of authority pieces, and what they can achieve by downloading this free resource is enough for a page like this to build your main asset in your online business, your email list. That's all you need. And you can do that in Kajabi. Another example of how to move people from social media to your website is, for example, with the quiz. The quiz we came out with was discover which at-home ballet program is a tailor fit to you based on your ballet character, because it's fun to do and people will want to know what their ballet character is. In this case, we not only collect name and email based on their results, but we also show them the program that will be perfect for them. So for people that are already ready to buy, that's an option for them to go and buy right away. For people that are not ready to buy, they will receive emails from us about the very choices that they selected on the website, on the quiz. And therefore, when they're ready, they will eventually buy from us. Or maybe unsubscribe if they think that it's not a good fit. It's totally fine. But at least we move them from social media into an ecosystem that we can control.
It's not that we just came up with it. There have been quite a lot of time in researching what our customer were saying and what they actually needed, what they wanted, what they were looking for the direction that we needed to guide them through. So remember that your customer might be a little bit overwhelmed by everything that is out there. They don't know how to ask for help. They don't know what they really need. They only know that they want something specific that will help them out throughout their journey. They might know more or less what their end goal is, but they don't know how to get there. So your job in this case, whenever you're creating a lead generation, something that that will get them into your ecosystem, like Jacopo was saying, is to read in between the lines and create something for them that they can download and they will cherish.
Once people opt in for your free resource, what can they expect from you? People expect spam from any opt-in pages, so be the difference. What we usually do when people download our free resources is also have a onboarding email sequence where we don't sell as much. We just want them to be enjoying the resources that they downloaded, that make sense for what they're doing. It's not just an excuse for you to slap an offer in their faces. You are helping them again on the back end, and they don't expect that. So here's an example of Get Ballerina Fit workout plan. We have the first email that immediately goes out when people sign up with us, that delivers the PDF of the workout plan and also gives them some motivation to actually start the workout plan. Then every day we want to speak to them in a way that we understand where they're at. They might not feel they're ready for this. They might have self-limiting beliefs that we want to crush. They might feel discouraged because they don't see results right away. And we want to also show them what others have done to empower them to follow up. So testimonials and all of these beautiful things. It's necessary for them to trigger in their mind the fact that this is the right path for me. They are the right guide for me. I need to follow up and see if they have something more, something that I can sustain long term to achieve the results that I want. And one way we do it is with initial onboarding sequence, the 7 to 10 day sequence that we write once and we trigger every time somebody opts in. But what happens after the 7 to 10 days? What do you do every week?
It's interesting because most of the people think that, okay, I'm just going to put everything on automation and who cares, they're just going to go out. But people do feel it. They do understand and they know that maybe some emails are triggered. And so they know that there is a system that delivers certain emails. Once they are in my ecosystem, I really do want them to feel part of something bigger than themselves, part of a community. So what I do once the emails are finished, let's say when they downloaded their free lead magnet, after 7 to 10 days, I have a long-term sequence that I write personally every single week. Check in to see how they are and to even deliver extra resources. I'm there for them, but they're also there for me. It's a give and take. And then of course we cannot just live out of love. Come on, let's be honest about this.
Thank you for saying that.
Because it's about creating a business that you love. It's about creating a business that you care about and having people that care for you. And a way for them to care for you and to keep going with the work that you're doing is to also pay for the services that you offer. I do send out specific sequence of emails to remind them that there is a specific bundle going out at that time. It's about giving value and then offering the next plausible step for them to take.
The reason why these become irresistible offers is because when we collected name and emails, we were very intentional about the reason why they would give us their emails. So we have content pillars at the beginning of the triangle, the discovery pillar, that trickles down so that we manage to create email lists with people that are all interested about the same things. And because we are talking a one class of people, we can craft one class of offers that makes complete sense for them, and therefore whenever they're ready, they're gonna think, this is exactly what I needed. She's reading my mind. I need to jump on this right now because she's been giving value to me so far, and I'm pretty sure if I gave her money, it would be even more amazing. The incredible things you can do in Kajabi is not just presenting your products in a beautiful way. There's also a way in Kajabi for you to create order bumps, upsells, and cross sales. And this is simply done with checkout pages. And I just wanted to show you one example what you can do and how beautiful it can be. For example, this Ballerina Dream program that we created, this is a landing page that we created with the builder. Once you get inside it, there is a full-on landing page that I'm not going to go through, but what I want to show you is that when you actually want to buy it, the checkout page comes up. As you can see, the main program is beautifully laid out on the left-hand side with the price and everything, but what we added as well is an order bump. This is, for example, a no-brainer offer. It's a one-time only accessible through through this main purchase. And after people click on this, they will add it to their order if they want to, and everything will be added to the total amount. What happens when they actually complete my purchase? There's something called upsell that you can set up in Kajabi. I'm going to show you how it works on the back end because I don't want to buy my own program. Within the upsell tab, you can add additional offers that you can present when people buy something. And in this case, we have one upsell and one downsell. The way it looks is like this. If I preview it, as you can see, we clearly specify what's happening. Like the order is not yet complete. Hold on a second, because I have a special offer for you. That's the theory of an upsell. And then underneath it, you can just describe or even have a video if you want to. A video would probably work a bit better. And a call to action down here to add it to your order. Everything else we added is just more information about what programs are included within this special offer, testimonials and guarantee as well, and all the things that you feel people need to know to buy your offer. It's a beautiful thing because once people bought something, they already invested, they are in buying mode. And if you offer something that it's very related to what they purchased, there's a very good chance they will buy this upsell as well. This way you increase your order value as well as making your clients more happy because they have more tools to get to the results they want. All of this is done in the simplicity of the Kajabi backend. Just create your offer, put things together, just like drag and dropping it, and you're done. If we got you excited about start building your own website and online business with Kajabi, great, mission accomplished. We want you to feel this way. Once we found Kajabi, our life completely changed. But I want you to know that we have a special offer for you if you use our link. Kajabi offers 14 days free trial. With our link, you can have double that. And also, we want to give you some bonuses. We want to give you a copywriting framework you could use to write copy for your own sales page. We want to give you a mini course that shows you exactly how to set up Kajabi from the very initial sign up to actually having a website that works. Plus, we want to give you sales page templates that you can just drag and drop into Kajabi, change the copy, and have your products ready to be sold. If you want all of this, there's no extra cost to you. Just click on the link in the description box below, sign up using our link, then reach out via email. The website tells you everything, by the way, and then we'll give you everything that we promised. I hope you will have an amazing journey with Kajabi the same way we had in our online business and, automatize the heck out of everything and make your life way easier. If you're an online coach and you're building your list, but you don't know what to do with it, we have a series of profitable email marketing strategies that we shared in a different video that you can apply from today and start making some sales using your email list. You want to watch it? That's the video you should watch right now. Hang on. There.
You're covering my face.
Hang on.
Oh my god, these are the longest videos ever.